I'm back. I'm going to show you guys what I do with these to put them in the fridge. Plastic bag, tie it up. I still have dough on my fingers. I only do one tie in it, so. And this goes in the fridge overnight to proof, and then I will take it out and put it on the counter in the morning because I want it to rise one more time. Not what all of the recipes say to do, but that's what I do just to make sure if it hasn't risen enough overnight. Okay, see you in the morning. Bye. Okay, it's the next morning and I have taken my bread out of the fridge. I still have 2 of them in the bags. The one that I've just put in, excuse me, in that I took out because I wasn't sure if it was going to come out how I wanted it to. It came out just fine. Let's see if I can show you. It's right here. I've got my parchment paper. I love these because they're all pre-cut. Hold on a second. Okay. So I'm going to take these out of here. And what I do is I have my bowl, put the parchment paper on top, turn it upside down, and then lift the bowl off. I should have my hair up. I don't. Again, these did not rise how I wanted them to. I maybe just didn't wait long enough. They will rise in the oven still. Okay, this one doesn't have, sorry. Okay. I may or may not cut that out. This one may be a little bit harder. And this happens when you don't use the material insert. I just kind of have to pull it a little bit. I did flour this. Just got my hand in there. There it goes. Trying to get it to the middle here. Nah, it's stuck the way that it is. So let me scoot you down. Excuse my hand. Let's go this way. Oh, almost lost my phone. My razor blade. I'm not the best at making these pretty, but what I do is I go into the side. This is my round one. I think this other one's going to be round also. And I make a cut for the ear, and then I do a little bit of decoration. I have a friend who decorates these so beautifully. This one I just go like little branches. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I have my oven preheated right now. Actually, that was just telling me that it's ready to go. I have my stone and my, boy, I had a problem with this board last night. Rub some of that flour off. My stone and my Dutch ovens. in there. They preheated with when the oven was preheating, sorry. I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible. All right. Okay, let me show you these closer up. Has the ear and then like the twigs. Same thing on this one. This one is going to go in my bread pan. These two are going to go in my Dutch ovens. So let's do this. Let me get you all situated here. Stay. Well, it may or may not work. So we'll go with that. Let me take these. Pull out the top one first. Oh, that lid is going to give me a hard time, isn't it? Okay, bottom one goes first. I'm just going to leave the lid off of this one. And we'll put the one that is just a plain loaf in there. And close that back up. What do I do with them? There they are. If I had two ovens, this would be a lot easier. Okay, the other roundish one will go in here. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, good. And I'll put the lid back on that one. And then the loaf. Close that up, set my timer for 25 minutes. And then what I do after that is take the lid off, the one, and the other two will continue to bake. I don't know if you noticed, but I have a stone on the bottom. That keeps it from the bottom of the bread burning. I learned that from somebody else on YouTube. I don't do things all the time the way they're supposed to be done. I do them the best that I can, and it works out, and we enjoy bread. And there's no, I don't want to call it fake yeast, but the yeast that you buy in the grocery store that you never know if it's the right stuff, if it's not processed or something like that. So I enjoy sourdough because it's all not processed except for maybe my bread flour because it's not organic. Anyway, I'll be back when these are done.